Okay, today's class is about obligations and necessity with the most have to and need to. Okay, first of all, here we have two necessities and two obligations. Can you tell me which two are each one? Just by looking at the picture, what do you think it's a necessity and what do you think it's an obligation?
Drink water is not necessary.
Yes, drinking water is a necessity, and also you need to drink 1 or 2 liters of water. And another one?
Go to school is an obligation.
Yes, going to school is an obligation, and it is mostly when you are a kid. When you are, I don't know, an adult, yeah, you can say I don't want to or I want to. So it is an obligation mostly for children. Another one? We already have one necessity and one obligation. Can you tell me the other two?
It's an obligation.
Washing dishes, it's an obligation, mostly for people who live with their family. And the last one, pretty easy, it's the last one. Can someone tell me?
Sí.
Yeah, eating is a necessity, obviously. And also you need to eat fruits and vegetables just like the girl in the picture. So there are two necessities there. Okay, so we already know what an obligation and what a necessity is in a general sense. So now let's get more deep into it. So have to, it's for the obligation. It is used for external source such as rules and or circumstances. Use this as a keyword. External source, rules, circumstances. And we have the way to say it in an affirmative and a negative version. So we have two for the affirmative. Someone wants to read it out loud? Or should I pick? Any volunteer for reading this one? Can you see it?
I have to make photocopies.
Yes, I have to make photocopies. And the negative one?
I don't have to make photocopies.
Okay, so the next one for affirmative is one.
He has to study.
Okay, and the negative?
He doesn't have to study.
Okay, so you see that the only thing that changes is that you put the negative form first. I don't have to. It's the way that you make it negative. Then we have the necessity that use the mode need to. Expresses a necessity, obviously, either personal or imposed by the situation. And the keyword here is just necessity. Just think about it. Well, you can obviously see it, need to, necessity. And then we have affirmative and negative situations. Can someone read the first affirmative and negative?
She needs to order lunch.
Okay, and the negative one?
She doesn't need to order lunch.
Okay. Then this one?
They need to do homework.
And
They don't need to do homework.
as you can see, just like and have to, you just put the negative form first. She needs, she doesn't need. Okay? Let's see. And then we have questions and answers. to read this question? Yes, I do. This is like a simple form. You probably saw this kind of answer in other classes. It's yes, I do, but if you want to give it more of an explanation, you say, yes, I do. I have to be there early. And then this one,
We need to bring something.
something, just like this one. Do we need to bring something? Simple answer? No, you don't. But if you want to give an explanation, no, you don't. You don't have to bring something, okay? Then we have an activity. I'm going to pass these small cards, and they have like a prompt. For example, let's say you are an influencer, you are a babysitter, you are a high school student, and from the one that you have to make two phrases. One needs to be have to, and the other needs to be need to. And then you are going to ask any classmate what their card says, and then you are going to write what they have to and what they need to do. It is okay? Do you understand? Okay, then I'm going to pass this one. Can you pass it to your classmates, please? Once you have your card, you can start doing the phrases, okay? Remember, it is have to and need to. And here it might be a little bit small, but you have an example of what you could do.
Now is covered.
So then do your two phrases and the phrases for your classmate, please. So we can discuss it in a minute, 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to do this. If you have any doubts about the words, you can ask me and I will tell you what it means. Okay? Haces dos frases sobre esto, need to, have to, y después le preguntas a un compañero sobre qué le tocó y haces dos frases de lo que le tocó al compañero, need to, have to. Okay, let's continue with the phrases that you got. Yes?
Las frases para que era dependiendo de tu situación, tenemos que identificar si es una obligación o no es una obligación.
Nada más tienes que ser una frase que sea obligación y necesidad. Por ejemplo, tú eres un college student, tú necesitas ir a clases, tú debes hacer tarea, pero en inglés.
No, ya, es que yo había entendido como obligación.
Is anyone ready? Okay, I'm going to call out to people that made their phrases together. So, are you two done? Are you a team? Can you share the phrases you did for your classmate and for yourself?
My classmate said is a babysitter
A babysitter, okay?
and say I need to pay attention on the baby and I have to do activities. I have to do interesting activities by the baby.
Okay.
And I'm a baker and I don't have to celebrate pregnancy and I me perdí la frase, pero
Okay, that's okay. Nice. Let's continue. Then we have a team activity, but okay, we have 4 posters that are for a school, a company, a sport team, and a family home. Here they are, and I'm going to put this one here for this part of the class. Then this one for this part of the class, and this one for this part of the class, and well, we have one left, but that's okay. And for this, just do 2 phrases, not 3, 2 phrases of one necessity and one obligation for all of them. Just 2 phrases. And you have 1 minute, 2 minutes to make it in teams, or yeah, you have to do it in teams. Just two. This is the company.
Ah, entonces puede ser chief president of the company.
Yeah, need to and have to. And the whole team is this. And the phrases, please write it in the blank square that is in the posters, please. Okay, can you share what you wrote, the phrases that you wrote?
They need to spend time together. They have to clean the house in every Sunday.
Okay, yes, it's for the family, right? Yeah, okay. Anyone else is ready? No? Okay, I'm going to let you finish it, but we have to continue. Okay?
I have to report everything to assistant, and I need to study for the exams.
Okay, correct, yes. And you just need to finish, right? Okay, I'm going to let you finish and we have to continue with the class, okay?
Pero
for the last activity, I'm going to pass a little worksheet and just put your name here and answer it. When you're ready, just tell me. When you're ready, just raise your hand so I can take your paper. Okay. Anyone left? Okay, and that's it for today's class. Thank you.